I'll never get the Snap-on logic. That's like saying this truck right here is going to end up doing more work than my Avalanche. Like, it's going to be better. First off, Snap-on's not like it used to be. The trucks, you don't see nearly as many of them. The last dealership I was at didn't even have a Snap-on truck, let alone a Matco. The only one they did have was an independent guy that was a gear wrench truck. So again, the whole idea of buying Snap-on, if it's convenience and it's not convenient, what is the point of it? There's so many more Harbor Freights that keep opening up all over the place, especially where I live. Again, I don't care about spending 10 minutes to go get a new tool. And how often are you getting a new tool? And then the price of Harbor Freight, you could buy multiple of them before you even touch the price of one Snap-on. So again, convenience. It's a lot more convenience just to reach into the toolbox and grab another one than it is to wait a week for the stupid Snap-on guy to come when they never come, right? Oh, you didn't spend enough. Oh, this route sucks. It's not making me enough money, and then they're not there. Then you got to mail them in. I mean, come on. There's so many other ways. There's so many better tools now. Why do I have to keep saying this? It's just like, stop buying Snap-on. You're buying it because you like Gucci. You just say you like buying a brand. That's all you're doing. That's all you're doing.